Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. You're going to have to keep this one short for a whole plethora of reasons. Firstly, controller battery isn't doing so well. It was on 2 yesterday, but I guess it's got a bit of ground or surface or whatever you want to call it charge. And you may notice I've been through the place a little bit since last time, so I could level up and whatnot, because we were sorely lacking in a couple of things. We're still not doing amazing, but we have 30 faith, which we need to use to grant, and I've been getting up strength as well, so then we can one-hand the grant, which will hopefully help with the Nito fight, though I'll probably end up not even using the grant in the Nito fight. I also managed to collect 8 humanity through leveling up, because what I did was I've just been going through here using the poison mist on the thing down there. I can't remember what it's called, the flanks, I believe. But yeah, I figured I may as well show you the way around here properly. And so you'll get the proper experience if you've never played this bit. Okay, now there's a guy in here. I have also collected all the items though, so you're not going to get that experience quite. So come in here and swipe them, and swipe these guys. Now then, I'm just probably going to run through this bit. Run! Yeah. Oh, I also left the area. I didn't do the boss fight though. I decided that would be a step too far, and joined a covenant. Does it say that on the character thing? Dark Moonblade, yeah. Which, because oh dear, this is fucking me up. Don't like it. You can die. Thank you. Because it is a fuck. What's it called? What's it called? Online covenant. Like I believe they all are. I can't do anything with it, but I kind of want to get the Dark Moonblade, and so I've been killing the bird people because they drop. Where are they? Do I have any? No, I already did the thing. But yeah, they drop like ears, I believe. Don't you be jumping on me, fool. You be dying. That's what you do. Yeah. Cool. Then come down here. Now then, this way. Got 44,000 souls, 481 as well. 8 humanity. I'm a bit out of practice. I haven't played for, I don't know, 5-6 days in my time, as opposed to video time. Let's see what I can do. Well, actually, I say I haven't played. I've been playing a really old character of mine that I forgot I had, because I've been trying to make a faith one, and it turns out I already had one, but I thought they were a sorcerer. Now then, this guy is going to be a pain. Did it work? It did! Haha! So now I don't really need to worry about him. In fact, I'm going to run away and then come back again. You still following me? You are. Ugh. Fine. Do-do-do. But yeah, my faith character and my sorcerer both have got stuck on Steen and Smell. Though the faith character is doing a lot better, I will admit. They're like 30 faith, like this character, but they are a few levels shy of what we are at 95. This is my highest level character now, by the way. Still not as strong as Reeve, because Reeve is just like pure strength, so it just hits like a truck. But I'm catching up. And got a bit more endurance, so I can have a bit of poise. A bit more poise. So this is Priscilla. I could just leave and go behind her. Let's have a chat. Yep, the inhabitants are definitely kind. That's why they all tried to kill me. Yeah, about that. I don't think that's gonna work for me. Like, I'm sorry, but... Let me just heal up a little bit. Now then, where are you? I don't like this fight because she just sort of disappears and hits you. You can't really see a health bar or anything, but it's not hard when you hit as hard as I do. And now we have the soul of Priscilla. All is well. Give it humanities, and this is how we leave. Yeah. Gotta put a lot of faith in that. Bump. And we're back. Boop. They're dead. I'm just gonna try and run to the bonfire and hopefully I'll make it. Okay. The bonfire's down here. Stop following me, if you please. You do, thank you. Haha. By the way, the noise you probably heard was my brother moving about. I managed to persuade him not to interrupt me whilst I'm making this video, and I believe he's going cycling. So, all is well. This is where my Covenant home is. Your offer is to that mat down there. I'm gonna kill my boss at some point probably. Just because for the lols, why not? Unless I do end up needing the Dark Moonblade thing. But yeah, oh no, it's these souvenirs of reprisal. Haha. Let's have a look, shall we? So I've got 8. I've already donated a couple. Very well. State my wish. I just want to offer some of these. Oh man, this is going to be interesting to watch. Just another 7 times of that. Another 6 times of this. Another 4 or 5 of these. I'm running out of words that resemble this and that. Yeah. Damn lords making us bow. What are we on? 4 more? 3 more? I don't know. I'm kind of upset there's not a talk option. At least I don't think there is. No, there isn't. Whee! There we go. Do I have one more? I do. Okay. I'm out of drink now. See how the battery's doing. Yes, it's alright, to be honest. Okay, let's have a look at this, shall we? Look at it. Miracle granted to those bound by covenant to Gwendolyn, Lord Gwyn's lastborn. Boost right weapon with rays of Dark Moon. The power of the rays of the Dark Moon are manifested in vengeance. The deeper the animus, the more devastating the attack. 30 faith. Which we have. Let's have a look at the talisman, shall we? That can be in weapons. I believe it is. A scaling. Nice. Very nice. Medium for casting miracles of God, granted to Dark Moonblade Knights adherent to the covenant of the Dark Sun Gwendolyn, This talisman demands the dutiful faith from its owner, but has very high miracle adjustment. Very nice. So if I kill him, I think both of those stop working. But until then, it should be right. We no longer need the poison mist, so let us attune Dark Moonblade. We may have to do some fashion souls here, because hang on, I've got to swap these over. I got a lot of spears and leather shields, by the way. Okay. Yeah, so you can't do it on this one. I'm assuming you can't do it on the Grant either. Nope. Well then, in that case I'm assuming we need to pick a different weapon. Can you do it with a crescent axe? No. What else is there then? Divine Zweighand? No, it's because I've already given it to the divine thing, isn't it? That I can't do it. Okay. So I'm assuming if I get this leg up to +10, this would work. But it's a bit slow, isn't it? What about this? Yeah. I'm thinking Murakumo +10. I wonder what it takes to upgrade. Let's have a look, shall we? I've got a couple divine weapons. I made that mistake. Titanite shards. Okay. Let's take a trip to Andre then. In the Undead Parish. Woo, yeah. Because I'm pretty sure we can buy a fair bit of Titanite with our, like, 50k souls, 70k souls, whatever it may be. I'm really sorry, but I've run out of drink, and I need, like, a cough. So if I cough, I'm sorry, and if I don't, then my voice is going to be like this, and so I'm still sorry. To be fair, I want to see how the Dark Moonblade thing looks, because I don't think I've actually seen it before. Okay, I'm going to cough. Is that better? I believe that's better. I seem to be doing alright. That's because I am, Andre, that's because I am. Right, so let's get 10. That should be enough, right? Hang on. Excuse me. Yeah, can I reinforce my Murakumo, please? Ta. I mean, it may not be, like, the best, but I like it. +6. Reinforce. I need large Titanite shards now, I'm assuming. Yes, and I have enough. Wonderful. There we go. +10. What about the shuttle? What do you need for it? 14 and 9. I do like the shuttle, but I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so what do we have damage wise with it? 220 something as opposed to 330, but with the Dark Moonblade I'm assuming it'll do a bit more, like hopefully wreck face. Let's have a look. That looks very nice. Like, it's purple. Purple's my favourite colour. Whoa. Yeah. Cool. I wonder if that counts as a divine weapon. Should we find out? Actually, there's something I need to do. Okay. Right. I have a plan. I'm going to test out my sword. But I'm also going to go somewhere. That somewhere is Filing Shrine. Then I'm gonna go to talk to, I believe it's Domino Xena. No. Because I believe he sells, actually no, I'm not gonna go there, I'm just gonna go see Oswald. One of my favourite guys. Oh, I didn't see how much damage that does. I need to test it. 544 against a Boulder Knight. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh yeah, I didn't say one of the other reasons why this is going to have to be a quick one. Well, you see, it's very warm, and I have to shut my window to do these because you can hear the airplanes anyway because I live near the airport. I don't know the schedule, but you can hear them, and they're loud. So yeah, I had to shut my window, and it's even more boiling now. I think I may need to farm some more souvenirs of reprisal in order to get a more powerful Darkmoon Blade, because I believe that's a thing. Just be not fun. I might do that, like, in between this episode and the next one, though, because I've got to finish this one soon. In fact, probably after I buy myself some rings. Yeah, you sell them, you jammy bastard. I knew it. Let me buy a fair few of these. I've got 8. That should do well. Don't know what just happened there, but my screen went black. Okay. Oh, hang on. How much does it cost for absolution? I don't have enough anymore. Okay. Well, I believe that'll do. My own name is James. Your name's whatever the hell you're called. This is Oswald, best character, hence why he's the thumbnail. This is Reverend, my character, hence why we're playing as them. And I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.